Hello everyone, myself CA Ashwini Sonone from Instagram handle CA Let's Achieve. Can a science student pursue Chartered Accountancy course after 12th standard? Let's hear out this real life story of Ankita Tulsen and her journey towards CA. Everyone have a dream of becoming something, achieving something great, becoming a professional and be a successful person, right? But we all have heard success is not easy, isn't it? So here begins Ankita's story. After I cleared my 10th standard exams with flying colors, I decided to choose science stream and I wanted to pursue medical course and become a doctor. I started pursuing science and did my 12th in science field. But suddenly then I started realizing that science was not my cup of tea and I was clueless what I would do further as I had already taken a wrong decision at the start of my career. But then I realized if I continue to think about the wrong decision that I had taken, how will I succeed? So, immediately after my 12th standard board exams, I took another big step to change my field from science to commerce. And when we think about commerce, the first thing that comes to our mind is chartered accountancy. And yes, I took the same decision. So, from then, my dream changed from becoming a doctor to becoming a chartered accountant. Seems a little strange, isn't it? Now begin the challenges. Imagine a student who has been learning physics, chemistry from last 2 years now have to understand subjects like accounts, economics and tax. But I knew I had to do it and I cannot just simply give up on it. So I started studying and with time things began to settle. Things were obviously not simple, but I would say it was not that difficult too. I did my graduation in commerce and was pursuing chartered accountancy course along with it. I cleared my CA CPT and CA IPCC exams and then I had just one thing left in front of me, that was CA final exams. The most dreadful thing ever. But I had the motivation that it's the last exam of my life and after this I don't have to appear for any exams. No fear of results, no tension of getting up early in the morning to attend the classes lectures. So, I began my CA final preparations. The most challenging time began during the last 4.5 months when I got leave from my articleship because these months are the most crucial one for any CA final aspirant. It gives you a mixed emotion of fear, happiness, tension, and sometimes even frustration. But I think these things are pretty normal to experience. Even I experienced the same things. When I used to see people enjoying, I used to always think, why not me? I am studying here for 14 to 16 hours daily and people there are enjoying their life. When will I? At that time, I always convinced myself by saying that just few more months and when I get a degree, things will automatically fall in the right place. So, the most important thing is to remain focused and concentrate on what you want to achieve. So, as the time came near, the pressure and tension of exams was at its peak level, which is again a very normal thing for us. But I knew I have worked hard for so many years and especially during these leave period before the exams, so I cannot let my hard work go in vain. So now finally came the exam days, the 17 days challenge to prove my hard work. I was well prepared that 50% of the paper would be something which I have really studied very well. 25% would be something very challenging and remaining 25% would be totally new, which we usually call as out of syllabus. So by fitting this formula in my mind, I appeared for my 8 papers and gave my best without thinking what would happen next. I never discussed my paper with anyone and did not think on the same, as I knew I couldn't rectify my paper that are already done. Now, after exams, the only thing that was revolving around was the results. Whether I will be able to crack it in the first attempt. If not, how will I again study for those 8 subjects? But as we all have heard, Hard work pays off. And yes, it did. It was 16th of Jan 2020. I got a message at 3:43 pm that results are out. I guess just reading this line gives goosebumps, isn't it? And then when I saw the result, it read as pass and pass. Like I couldn't digest it for a week that yes, I am a chartered accountant and I did it in first attempt. That happiness still couldn't be expressed in words. I had finally achieved a degree which I wanted to. Finally, I could prove people that the decision I took of being a CA from doctor was not any fancy dream. So, this is my journey, which started from becoming a doctor but ended up as a chartered accountant. The one thing I learned during my journey was no matter how much the world tries to hold you back, always continue with the belief that what you want to achieve is possible. Believing you can become successful is the most important step in actually achieving it.
I hope you have heard the story correctly. Yes, everything is possible. Once you decide you want to do it, you can achieve it. Please do share this story with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.